here we have outfit number 1. Like, it's just a simple dress. It's very lightweight. I know it looks like it is gonna be suffocating, but it's actually very, very lightweight. I don't like that it doesn't emphasize my waist, and you guys know if I don't emphasize my waist, I look a little bit bigger than what I am. I'm not saying I'm super skinny because obviously I'm not, but I mean, like, the dress is making me look a little heavier because also the texture. So if you have more curves and you don't want to emphasize like making you seem bigger or anything like that, you should go for something more simple. This is very, very busy. But talking about this specific dress, this dress is by the brand Treasure & Bond. It's $59, and this one specifically is in size small. So I can tell you right away that it runs very, 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 very big because obviously I'm not size small. I'm more towards like medium and large in dresses. So if this is a small and it looks like this on me, it's definitely oversized. I don't hate the dress. I actually like it, but I just don't think it's something that I should keep because of my body shape. Doesn't look terrible, but it made me seem a little bigger. And I wanted to show you the material closer. It's super comfortable, super pretty though. So if this dress is something that caught your eye, I definitely recommend it because it's not heavy. It just, I don't know, it doesn't seem like it worked nice on my body shape. So comfortable though. I'm tempted to keep it just because it's like comfortable. And this outfit came with this necklace, but as you see, it's missing one little stone in the circle. Plus this circle is tiny compared to what it seems in the picture. Nevertheless, the necklace is super, super pretty. I really like it. It's a shame that it's not like perfect. And this necklace is made by the brand Stella Bartlett and it's $35. So here we have outfit number 2. This outfit is actually very, very pretty. I don't like that I'm not showing my waist at all because you know, guys, I am hourglass shape. If I don't show my waist, I look way bigger than I actually am. I'm already big, but I don't want to look even bigger. Let's see what is in this outfit. First thing in this outfit, we had this beautiful blouse that is a little tight on me, but again, tight in the chest, loose in the waist. I don't like that much, that aspect of the blouse. This is by the brand Treasure & Bond and it's $39. As you see, it has these straps and it has these buttons that are actually functional. It's in size medium. I actually like it. I just don't love it. Now let's talk about these pants. They are by the brand Calson. They're $59 and they came in the size medium. They look a little tight on me right now in the hip area, but these pants tend to loosen up a little bit because of the type of material they are. They have wider legs as you see, and it has a elastic band waist, so it's very, very comfortable. I actually really like these pants. I like the price that they have and I like the package. I actually quite enjoy this color too. It's one of my favorite colors for this year. And they are super, super pretty. I'm probably just going to keep them because I really like how they look everywhere. And here we have the sandals for this outfit. They're the only sandals that they sent me in this box. So definitely I'm going to be showing you a lot of outfits with these specific sandals. They're by Tory Burch and they are size 9. They're $229 or $228. But they are super, super classic and beautiful. They are one of the most stunning sandals from Tory Burch. I actually have 2 pairs of these. They are quite old, so a replacement for them wouldn't be a bad idea. I have them in brown and I also have them in like a shiny black. This is a matte black. They are made by leather. They are super, super pretty. The details in these sandals are stunning. They last very, very long. I use them very much. Like I use them, I will say like 2 or 3 years and they were super, super good onto them. So I definitely think this is a good investment. And here we have outfit number 3. This outfit is actually very, very pretty, but it just doesn't work for me. Again, the sandals are the start of this outfit. We had these white denim jeans and the same blouse that I showed you previously. Doesn't work for me again because it doesn't show my waist. I don't like that. And these denims actually don't fit me properly. They are size 8. Are by the brand Wheat and Wisdom. And I don't know why they don't fit me right because normally size 8 is a good size for me, but they are a little tight. I also gained a little bit of weight, but this is very, very tight actually. They are $78, so they are not like extremely crazy expensive, but they are again too tight for me. I like the outfit, but it's just not quite right there for me. And I don't like how it looks in the back for me. It's kind of like too tight. You see how the package looks like, and my bun is growing out of the pants. So I'm definitely not keeping this outfit. I don't like it for me personally, and also the pants, the jeans don't fit me. And here we have outfit number 4. I don't like it. I don't like this blouse at all. It is kind of like very dressy. It's more for like the office, work day, that kind of vibe. But I don't know. It's very, very big, very square. I just don't like it. This outfit doesn't work for me at all. This blouse is by the brand One Stay. It has 60% off. The original price was $79, but right now has a discount for $31.60. This one specifically is in size medium. It's just not my vibe. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. So it's just like a very, very messy thing for me. I mean, I can put it here. See if it changed the look of it, but also the pants don't fit me, so it's kind of like a little disaster in here. The outfit came with the same sandals as before. I mean, like, I don't know, it's just like, it's cute, it just doesn't fit me properly, because right now that I put it here, I actually like this. I like this. I will wear this. I don't know. It's just not my style that much. But I will definitely wear something like this. It's just the pants don't fit me. Look at how this looks like in here. They're very, very tight. I don't know what you're looking for. And here we have outfit number 5. We have a lot of outfits today. This outfit is super, super cute. I actually really, really like these pants. I think I'm gonna keep them. They're so gorgeous. But this is just like a regular white, stretchy material blouse kind of situation. One of the outfits show it to wear with these sandals. In a minute I show you another outfit with this same blouse and pants but different shoes. But right now this is the outfit suggestion for now, and it's super stunning. This t-shirt is by the brand Elegant and it's $35. They sent it to me in size medium, so it's true to size. It looks very, very nice. I just see the difference between me wearing something very, very baggy on my body and something more taper. See how nicer it looks on me, specifically because I have hourglass shape. See a balance between bigger pants and tighter top. Super cute. The other outfit suggestion, so this will be outfit number 6. Basically is the same blouse, the same pants, but with these Adidas sneakers. They are the ones that I showed you from the previous box. I haven't started using them, but I'm telling you, I just haven't, because I've been traveling, and I've been traveling for the karting, the sport that my son plays, and it was super rainy, so I knew they were gonna be a disaster if I wore them in all of that rain. But definitely these are super cute. I like the tennis a lot. Like, look at that. They are so nice and comfortable. They're Adidas. They're super cool. Just a reminder, everything that I'm wearing in this video, I'm gonna leave it down there in the description for your convenience in the outfit number. But I really like this very laid back outfit right here. It looks super pulled together and super comfortable and easy to kind of like wear everywhere. And the last outfit right here is with this beautiful dress. So this is outfit number 7. This dress is by the brand Chelsea 28. It's in the size medium and it's $129. I don't know, it looks kind of like weird on me here in the front. And it's not because it is tight, it's just because it creates that shape in there. So I'm not sure if I like it just because of that, because everything else is super romantic, super pretty. I like the print a lot. It's so gorgeous. I'm like stunning, but it's like super stunning actually. And it has a double layer, so you won't be flashing anyone with this dress, and it's all the way up, even in the chest area. And it has these little details in here. It has these little buttons in here. This dress is very pretty. I just wish it wasn't making this puffy thing in here. I don't know if it's because it's too tight in my hips, but I don't like what it's making in here. I mean, the dress is very pretty. It has this hole here in the back is all the way in the back. As you see, it's super, super pretty. But I don't know, it's making this weird cluster of cloth in here, like this material, extra material here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it just because of that, because I mean everything else in the dress is super pretty. They pair with the same sandals in here. They're so gorgeous. I mean, I really like this outfit altogether. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was super, super fun to make it for me. Unfortunately, we are not gonna have more trunk club. We are only gonna have Nordstrom hauls from now on, because Nordstrom Club just the actual bots just closed the service. This is the last one that I'm gonna be receiving, but we also going to have the anniversary sale, so we're gonna keep having Nordstrom content in this channel, just not these specific bots because it's gone. But again, remember, anything that you receive or you see from Nordstrom Trunk Club, you can actually buy it from Nordstrom too. So don't worry, we're still gonna have Nordstrom in our life. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was entertaining for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!